Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to put batteries in Firestick remote. Let's go. Open the battery compartment. It is important to observe the polarity. Install the batteries in the remote control. The minus should be at the bottom. Close the battery compartment. Let's check it out. Everything works. That's it. Now you know how to put batteries in Firestick remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.